Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BPTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations here are coming from. And what's really kind of caught my eye quite a bit, and this is by no means is some sort of great discovery. I mean, I've been talking about it for the past couple of videos, but from a technical perspective, anybody that uses charts understands charts. I mean, they've noticed the same thing. So I'm not saying this in a manner that makes me think that I'm some sort of like brilliant, technical trader, but just great stuff in regards to that purple line there, which on my chart is denoting the 50-period moving average. Talked about that previously, and you can see got the bounce there. And then you fast forward to today. During that first 30 minutes, the price dropped back down, and surprise, surprise, right off that purple line. And then this afternoon, once again, the price is sitting right here around that purple line. So with that being said, the price, yeah, it's been going up and down. I mean, if you're not aware that this is a volatile stock, then I don't know where you've been, but point being that the price continues to drift higher and higher. And I realize the drift, what does drift even mean? But that's the cool thing about charts is it allows you to quantify, sound bites. So the sound bite of drift can be quantified by just watching that 50-period moving average. Yes, right now, currently valued at the $32.69 mark. And that level is going to continue to move and change as time goes by. But, that is an area where, the price is very clearly honoring it. And we'll see if that, continues to be the case or not. In the event the price does not hold above that purple line, then it's looking like, at least in my opinion, at least at minimum, the price would be headed down to the $28 mark. And if 28 cannot hold, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price head down to right around the $22 mark. But again, to reiterate, so far so good. The price really does respect that purple line, so we'll see if that continues or not going forward. As far as areas of resistance, nothing new to report since the video I did on Monday. I talked about right up here around $40 being a level of resistance going into today. And once again, the power of charts, that's essentially right where it got rejected. But I still stand by what I said on Monday. If there can be a high volume break of that $40 mark, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price potentially get up here to right around the $45 mark, which is that second red line up there. So all in all, the price is hanging in there. The volume's remaining relatively strong, and we'll see if this thing's got another breakout left in it or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.